Everyone, it's me Smina. Hope you all are doing well. Today video is so special. It's a rainbow eye makeup or pride eye makeup. I am sharing the simplest and easiest way to do rainbow or pride eye makeup. I hope you like this video. Please make sure if you like this video, share and subscribe. So let's begin. Here I am going to use a different makeup palette, but you have to make sure which one color is in your palette is the best. You can use that palette color, and I am applying first of all red shade, then orange, then I got this yellow shade, and I am applying this beautiful shade. Here you see all the colors and the application of this color. This is so simple and beautiful. I hope if you are beginner, then this is the best video to do pride or rainbow eye makeup. So here is I am applying the last shade, and you can see it's a magical color combination and it's done so easily. Now I am removing this tape. You can also apply this tape for neatness if you are beginner. Now the next, I dipped a cotton bud into our makeup remover, and I am going to remove the extra color from my brow bone. The next I am going to apply this Hang Fang eyeliner. This is my super favorite. You can use any color, but the silver color is make it really fresh and so beautiful. And as you can see, it's look really amazing. And the pride makeup is looks really awesome, and it's easy to do. Now I am taking this shade on my angle brush and applying on the lower lash line. If you are beginner to learn the makeup and you are searching for the best eyeshadow makeup brushes, so you can check my videos on my channel. There are a lot of videos which is really helpful for the beginner makeup, so don't forget to watch other videos. Go and check the other videos of makeup. If you like my video, please don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you did subscribe, please press the bell icon. And the next I am using Kashi's white gel eyeliner and applying on my waterline with the help of eyeliner's brush backside. You can use the black gel eyeliner and also the purple pencil. As you can see, the rainbow eye makeup is looking so beautiful. Now I am going to apply the mascara, because before false lashes, applying the mascara is the most important step. Now it's time to apply the false lashes. I applied the Huda Beauty lash glue and applying the mink eyelashes. For this makeup tutorial, this is my favorite and super easy. Now I am completing the eyeliner because I want a really natural look. Here I am not going to use eyeliner, winged eyeliner style or simple eyeliner style, as the makeup is so beautiful. And now I am making the inner corner of my eyes. So here is the done pride eye makeup, or you can say the rainbow eye makeup tutorial is done. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Like and share my video with your friends and family, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. So bye everyone.